Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an emu. But before we get started, I'm going to remind you guys to feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel. Alright, so I decided to draw an emu today because I just heard that there's an emu at a local farm that my friends and I sometimes visit, and we just heard that that emu passed away. So very, very sad news, and that kind of inspired today's drawing. So I'm going to start our emu drawing by his beak. So I'm going to make a V shape like that. And then I'm going to kind of come in a little bit on both sides, so it almost looks like an arrowhead. And then we're coming up like that. And then we're coming down like that, so we made like another little V shape. And now he needs a little nostril and another little nostril. So like two little spots there. And now he needs great big eyes. So do one great big eye right here and the other right here. So the emu is going to be looking right at us. I'm going to put a circle right here, one right here, and then like a circle here in the middle. I can color that in dark. And now emus actually have the prettiest eyelashes. They're like huge, huge, long lashes. They're so, so pretty. So I'm put super duper pretty long eyelashes on both eyes. All right, so now the top of our little emu's head. And come on down here by the eyes. And we're gonna give our emu like little cheeks. And come on in and attach to the beak area. Like that. And I'm gonna bring up these lines here on the beak a little bit. Kind of thicken the very bottom, or sorry, the very top part here. So it almost looks like our little emu is giving a little smile, like that. Okay, so emus have real long necks. So a great big line like that. And then there. And then they have a great big, like, hump. Okay, so now this part of their body is just so many long feathers. So I'm just going to make wispy lines. Just all over. And now this back part, the back tail, that's a lot longer. So you can see I made that back tail part a bit longer than the rest of the body. All right, so now our emu needs feet. So do a little line like that and come on down this way. Got long legs and coming out like that. I'm gonna give him a little toe claw. And then give him a little claw there on the back too. And then of course he's got some other ones, but you can't really see them because of the way that we're looking at his foot. and then do the same again for his other foot. Okay, I'm actually going to give this emu some cute little hearts. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I just think this picture could use some cute little hearts. There we go. So now, before I get coloring, I'm going to take a black marker and outline all around everything, and then I'm going to add some color. So you can do that if you want to, but you don't have to. It's just something I've been doing lately because I find it really makes the picture kind of pop on the page a bit more, to kind of give our picture a bit of a thicker outline. All right, so we are done our emu picture. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really, really good day. And I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody. Bye.